FloatMe and Klover both help eligible users access money before payday, but they are built around different experiences. FloatMe focuses on simple cash advances and basic financial tools, while Klover combines cash advances with features that analyze your banking activity to determine eligibility. By the end of this video, you'll know the biggest differences between FloatMe and Klover and which app is the better choice for your needs. If you're choosing between them, the short answer is this. FloatMe is a good fit if you want a straightforward app with minimal complexity. Klover is the better option if you want additional features and don't mind connecting your bank account for a more detailed eligibility review. Let's start with FloatMe. FloatMe is designed to provide small cash advances for eligible users while also helping you monitor your account balance and upcoming expenses. The app focuses on keeping the experience simple, making it attractive for people who want quick access to short-term funds without navigating a large collection of financial products. The interface is easy to understand, and most features are centered on helping you bridge the gap until your next paycheck. Now compare that with Klover. Klover also offers cash advances to eligible users, but it places more emphasis on your banking activity. After you connect your bank account, Klover reviews factors such as recurring income, account history, and overall financial activity to determine your eligibility. In addition to cash advances, Klover includes features that help users monitor their financial activity within the app. If you're comfortable sharing your banking information for a more personalized experience, Klover offers a broader set of tools than FloatMe. So which one is better? Choose FloatMe if you want a cleaner, simpler experience with a focus on short-term cash advances and everyday money management. Choose Klover if you want additional financial features and don't mind completing a more detailed account connection and eligibility process. Neither app guarantees approval, and neither is based solely on your credit score. Your banking activity, income, and eligibility requirements play a major role in determining whether you qualify and what services are available to you. Here's the bottom line. FloatMe is the better choice if simplicity is your priority. Klover is the stronger option if you want more features and are comfortable linking your financial accounts for a broader experience. Your next step is to compare each app's eligibility requirements and decide whether you value a streamlined cash advance app or one that provides additional financial insights alongside its advanced features. If this comparison helped you choose the right app, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of cash advance apps, digital banking tools, and personal finance platforms.